Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Discord Android. If you're someone who prefers the dark mode in almost every application, then you can add Discord to the list. The platform has two themes, dark and light on mobile, and an option to synchronize with the system theme on the desktop clients. The appearance settings lie in the user settings. To get to your user settings, either slide an active Discord screen to the right or tap the hamburger icon to the left corner of the active screen to reveal options in the lower ribbon. You'll now see all the channels on the server. Navigate and tap your user profile icon to the bottom left corner of the screen. This is the user settings button. Then, scroll to the user settings screen to find and select appearance under app settings. Locate the theme section on the following appearance screen. Now, tap the radio button next to dark. Your mobile app will instantly move to a dark theme. This change will show on all your Discord devices as the feature to sync appearance settings across all clients is enabled by default. To restrict the theme settings to just your mobile, tap the blue toggle button next to sync across clients in the sync section below theme. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.